Hi guys, it's me Anne and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I am going to answer a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm going to answer it literally, honey, okay? But before I get into that, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click this subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be alerted every time that I upload a video if you want. So the question that I get asked a lot is, how do I sign up for YouTube? How do I start a YouTube? How do I sign up for YouTube? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, I use the word create because I'm literally going to show you how you go on YouTube, sign up, name your channel, all that good stuff. In another video, I'm going to answer, how to start a YouTube channel, and go through all that stuff. So today's video is basically going to be a voiceover. I'm going to switch over now so that you can see my screen and that we can get into it. So here we go. Alright, so the first step is you need an email account. I always suggest that you have Gmail because Gmail is, a part of Google, and yeah, life doesn't get much easier than that. So here I'm just going to show you how you click create a new account. You'll write your first name, your last name, whatever you want to put. I suggest that you have a separate email just for YouTube because eventually you'll start getting notifications and stuff like that, and you want to make sure that it's not cluttering. So here we're going to go on YouTube and we're going to sign in. Now the cool thing is, use your same email address that you just signed up for on Gmail, or your Gmail address, to log into YouTube, and it's like the simplest thing ever. Okay, so now that you're all logged in, you're going to want to click around. On the top right corner is when you'll get all your menu options, and you can scroll through them if you like, but right now we're going to go to my channel, and at this point it's going to ask you if you want to create a YouTube channel, and you click create channel. Pretty simple. So now we're going to click on customize channel, and here is where you can add your channel art. Here I'm just going to use from the gallery and upload there because that's just so much easier, and you just save. You can go to a website to get this designed or whatever. So now I'm going to go to the account settings. You go to account, there's notifications, playback. You'll see hair by Yale hair that you can edit on Google. You can create a new channel there as well. It'll be like a brand channel, and then you can put your like brand name and all that good stuff because you never know. And here you can control your notifications, how many emails you get, what you get the emails about, activity on your YouTube videos, comments, etc. Then you have your playback options. Then you have your history and privacy. Then you have connected apps. Here is where you connect your Twitter. You can connect Instagram or whatever. I don't really think the rest of them are really too helpful. Billing and payments is if you're going to have YouTube Red. Okay, so now let's go to the meat and potatoes. I just clicked the same button twice. My bad. We're going to go to the Creator Studio because this is where the fun starts, okay? So there you're going to click on channel, and then as you can see, it's looking kind of scanty here. So you can click on the monetization and read the YouTube partner terms, which I did already. And then you can see it tells you when you can have monetization actually enabled. 4,000 hours, 1,000 subscribers. And here is where you can sign up for AdSense. I have a whole video that I'm going to link somewhere so that you can see the process of signing up for AdSense, okay? So now you'll see you're eligible for live streaming, but you have to verify with a call or a text with a verification code. Embedded live streams are ineligible. In another video, I will show you how to do this. Longer videos, you're eligible as well, but you have to verify. Oops. Then unlisted and private videos are already enabled. Custom thumbnails, it'll give you a blurbage about verifying your account and how you become eligible for certain channel features for creators. So you might want to sit down and read that, but it's something that you'll eventually be able to do. Okay, and it'll give you the steps about verifying your account by phone, which is a very important step for YouTube to be able to access some of the features off the gate. So then you have external annotations that are not enabled, and then it'll give you your viewer engagement tools and things that you may want to sit down and read if you don't understand them. Super chat. You're ineligible because you have to verify your account. Super chat is when you get money from subscribers during your live chats. And then the custom URL, you have to have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded photo, etc., etc. So you can sit down and read this. Feel free to pause anything in this video, and you can kind of see all the settings that you'll need for your channel. And I'll click to Video Manager, because here is where your videos are supposed to live, but there are none. And you can here customize your widgets to add the videos, but there's no videos right now, and your widgets are just what you see on your main dashboard. Okay, videos, you'll see no videos are found, but if you go to the top right, there's an upload button. I'm going to make a whole separate video, okay, on how to go through this step. And yeah, this is basically how you create a YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you what mine looks like. As you can see, everything is green, okay? Everything is green. Uploading, monetization. If I click on view monetization and it says your YouTube partner, I have the green money sign. So it's all good in the hood, although YouTube is being stingy nowadays. It has my live streaming instructions. Just basically everything that wasn't enabled, except my sponsorships are not eligible. They're ineligible, and that's because this section is more so for gaming channels and things like that. So if you are interested in a gaming channel, this area is for you. So yeah, Alright guys, I hope that was super helpful. So if you don't have a YouTube channel yet, you can go ahead and create one. And in the next video, we will address, how to start a YouTube channel in terms of things that you need to do, things that you need to think about, all that good stuff, okay? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? That is super helpful when you guys do that. And of course, you can see all my social medias here somewhere, okay? And I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.